Hi everyone! Welcome back to another fun money origami tutorial. Today, we're going to fold a majestic origami elephant using real dollar bills. This origami elephant is not only a fun project, but also a great gift idea or a unique way to give money. Let's get started. Step 1. Attach 3 bills to form a square. Start by taping $3 bills together to form a perfect square. Origami tip: make sure the edges of the bills align neatly to get a crisp square. This will make your folds cleaner later on. Step 2. Fold diagonally. Now, fold your square diagonally from one corner to the opposite corner, forming a triangle. Crease well and unfold to reveal the center crease. Step 3. Fold the corners to the center. Take each of the 4 corners and fold them into the center point. This should form a smaller square shape. Origami tip: be sure the folds are crisp and meet perfectly in the center to keep the shape sharp. Step 4. Flip over and fold the legs. Now, flip your paper over and fold the bottom part upwards to create the legs of the elephant. This step forms the base and gives structure to your elephant's body. Step 5. Fold in half and shape the head. Fold the paper in half from top to bottom, and then shape the elephant's head at the top part of the fold. You can make the head as tall or short as you like. Step 6. Fold the trunk. Now, fold a small section at the top to create the elephant's trunk. You can curl or shape it to make it look more realistic. Origami tip: you can adjust the trunk's angle to make the elephant look more lifelike, as if it's reaching out. Step 7. Fold the tusks. Next, fold 2 small sections at the top for the tusks. This will give the elephant a majestic look and complete its face. Step 8. Adjust and finalize. Make any final adjustments to the ears, trunk, and legs to ensure your elephant stands up and looks just the way you want it. Press all folds firmly to help keep the structure in place. Step 9, done. And there you have it, a money origami elephant. It's a fun and creative way to use cash, and it's perfect for gifts, decorations, or even a fun little surprise. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to share your finished elephant and let us know what other animals you'd love to fold next. Thanks for folding with us. See you in the next creative project. Cash, money origami, origami elephant, dollar origami, easy origami, origami animals, creative gift, fun folding origami tutorial.